Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for SFP. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here. We also notice a key level right here where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, which is obvious to see here on the monthly chart. So let's go ahead and plot one more key level, our monthly swing low, and now let's hop to the weekly. So here on the weekly, what do we notice? We can go ahead and fine tune our monthly key level to the top of this weekly candle close. We can also go ahead and plot a key level here on the weekly chart where we can see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. We can also go ahead and plot a key level here as we see resistance, support, resistance, and resistance. So, what else do we notice? We see a key level right here. We see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart. Now we can also go ahead and plot a key level here, where we see reactions acting as support and resistance, and we see price reacting in the general area of the key level. This is more obvious to see as we see price reacting as support and resistance. Now, looking at more recent price action, we can go ahead and plot a key level here as we see multiple reactions acting to the level as resistance, and we see a support bounce from this long wick here. We can also go ahead and plot a key level here as we see reactions acting as resistance and support, and as we see price come up, we see it retest the same key level acting as support, and now we see the level being tested right now. So, zooming out, these are all the key levels plotted on our monthly and weekly chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.